Hello learners, and welcome to Speak English with Confidence podcast. My name is Melody, and today I'll take you through my real morning routine using everyday English. You will learn natural sentences you can use to describe your own day. So stay tuned and practice with me. So let's begin. This video is about my morning routine. My alarm rings at 6:30 a.m. and I slowly open my eyes. Good morning, world, I whisper to myself. I reach out to turn off the alarm and sit up in my bed. The first thing that I do every morning is brush my teeth. I go to the bathroom, squeeze some toothpaste on my toothbrush, and brush carefully for about 2 minutes. I always remind myself to keep my teeth clean and healthy. After brushing, I rinse my mouth with water and smile at the reflection in the mirror. Next, I wash my face with cold water. The cold splash really wakes me up. I dry my face with a towel and apply a bit of moisturizer to keep my skin fresh. After that, I take a shower. The warm water feels so relaxing, especially on a chilly morning. I wash my hair with shampoo, use soap, and enjoy the steam filling the bathroom. A good shower always helps me start my day feeling clean and energetic. When I finish, I dry my hair, I get dressed, and make sure that my clothes look neat. I usually wear a comfortable dress and clean shoes. I like looking presentable before I leave the house. Then, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually boil a few eggs, toast some bread, and pour a glass of orange juice. Sometimes, I add coffee if I'm feeling a bit sleepy. I sit down and enjoy my meal slowly. Breakfast gives me the energy I need to focus during the morning. After eating, I pack my bag for the day. I always double check that my laptop, notebook, and water bottle are inside. I hate forgetting something important. Before I leave, I put on my watch and a jacket, grab my keys, and take one last look in the mirror. Alright, I tell myself, I'm ready for the day. Finally, I step out and walk to the bus stop. The morning air is fresh and cool. I can hear the birds sing and see the sun rising slowly. I take a deep breath, feeling grateful for a new day. If you enjoyed learning with me today, don't stop here. Try shadowing this routine every morning. It's one of the best ways to sound fluent fast. If you want more lessons like this about real English for daily life, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your English journey starts right here every single day. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again in another video. It's bye for now.